Airworthiness regulations directly shape structural design by requiring damage tolerance, inspectability, redundancy, and safety margins from the very first design sketches. Design choices such as access panels, joint layouts, and material selection determine how easy or difficult it will be to inspect, repair, and maintain the structure in service. If a critical structural area is hard to inspect, damage may go undetected, so modern designs prioritize visibility and access to protect long-term safety. Manufacturers design and certify the structure, but operators reveal how it actually behaves in service through maintenance findings, defects, and operational data. Lessons learned from in-service aircraft feed back into improved designs, better inspection programs, and updated regulations for future aircraft. Aircraft structural safety operates as a continuous loop where regulations guide design, design drives maintenance, maintenance reveals real-world behavior, and experience updates regulations. Safe aircraft structures are the result of regulation, engineering design, operational use, and maintenance working together as one system. That brings us to the end of Module 6. In this slide, you will find some of the references used in preparing the content and some additional links and references for further reading.